Hi, everyone. Welcome back. You're still with us here on the C Morning Show. It's 20 past 7 in the a.m., and it's high time for one of our favorite signature segments, Book Talk. And today, we're going to introduce you to the author of the best-selling book entitled Ayah, Ini Arahnya Kemana Ya? This is one of his books right here. That's the new one that we're going to talk about today. And that one addresses the powerful issues of fatherlessness and loss.
Now, this book has sold over 150,000 copies in just 2 months. And please let's join.
Let us.
In welcoming Khairul Trian to talk more about his new book. I'm
There
so
you go.
sorry.
You got it out. There you go.
Yeah, Mercury retrograde. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning. Thank you for inviting me.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about this book.
Yes.
Ayah, ini arahnya
Arahnya
kemana
kemana
ya?
So how do you translate that to English, roughly? Like,
It's Mercury retrograde. You do it for me.
Dad,
Where is this
where should I be
going?
Headed going? Yeah,
Going.
correct. And basically, the small titles explains about a child who is kind of looking for his
Lost.
way home. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. There you go.
Okay,
So-
so what?
Tell us about the book.
Actually, Ayah Ini Arahnya Kemana Ya is just talk about fatherlessness issues.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I can relate because I'm no fatherless.
Okay, you grew up without a father?
My father is still alive, but I can feel him hug for me. I can feel.
Absent.
Yeah,
Oh, like
I
the
can feel
distance.
the figure.
Oh, okay. So
Oh, okay.
fatherlessness here means that the father figure isn't really there, isn't really around. But
Yeah.
it doesn't mean that you don't have you
Yeah.
don't have a father.
Right.
Okay, that's an interesting perspective because fatherlessness does not necessarily mean having lost a father, whether at a young age or maybe at an older age, but maybe even just distance between a child and a father as well. What inspired you to approach this book and come up with the idea?
This book is inspiring by me and my friends that we are a son. Then we have many keras kepala with our dad.
Stubbornness, yeah.
Like that. And my friend is lose him dad before he accepting the wound from him dad.
Okay.
Cause and then him dad is pass away, sorry. And he always say to Trian, kayak, Trian, you must forgive your dad.
Because your dad is still around.
Yeah, my dad
Okay.
is still around, and at the end, you will feel closer with your dad after you losing him.
Yeah. Yes.
This is an interesting book. It's actually written in the forms of, it's actually short forms.
Very
Can you
good.
explain a little bit in regards to the form of the book itself? Because if you look, I've been leafing through the pages. They're mostly, there's quotes in there, and there's basically statements in there in regards, and they're broken down into chapters. For example, chapter 2 is, Dad, help me. And then in there, it basically describes certain things, situations perhaps in some cases, in regards to why a child needs help from the father. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So can you explain a little bit about why
Yeah,
the format
small.
of the book itself?
Actually, we have so busy. We never have many time for just sit and reading
A book?
a book. The way
That's true.
the way I read a simple book
Okay.
that you will
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes you don't have to read and remember where you left off. You could. I've been reading this suddenly from just the middle, and I can already pick up exactly what pages. Like you can just read this randomly, and there are different pages that show different things. In fact, at
Yeah.
the end of every chapter, look at that.
Yeah.
So
You
have a look at that.
Ini gambar sendiri atau gimana?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can color it in.
Yeah.
He encourages you to color at the end of
Okay.
at the chapter. At the end of chapter 1, there's a butterfly, and then it says to color in the butterfly according to how your personality.
To embracing our inner child.
Why is
inner
that?
child.
Is this for us to be able to kind of get in touch with our own feelings?
Iya, actually aku ingin mengembalikan inner child kita yang sudah lama kita.
Tinggalkan. Oke.
Correct.
So this book,
Many of us are not in touch with our inner child.
yeah, especially you.
Hello.
Especially you. Oke. So melihat fatherlessness yang ada di Indonesia gitu, apa sih yang sudah diberikan feedback yang didapatkan dari ketika buku ini sudah diluncurkan oleh Trian?
Oke, feedback yang sangat Trian ingat sekali adalah ternyata banyak sekali teman-teman yang merasakan fatherless dan ketika mereka baca buku ini mereka baru tahu ternyata ini loh POV dari seorang ayah. Ini yang ayah kamu ingin sampaikan. Makanya banyak sekali teman-teman yang merasa seperti ngobrol dengan ayah
Oke.
ketika membaca buku ini.
Okay, so this is also a compilation which helps people kind of address their own issues.
Their own issue and simply to communicate with their dad in a better way gitu.
And people who feel like they have not been able to communicate their father, they feel like reading through this book, they feel like they're actually talking to their own fathers. It's actually a very interesting perspective.
Yeah, and this is your second book, right? Third book. No?
Enam.
Keenam. Oh,
Six,
actually ini
okay.
keenam.
We've only got 3 in the studio, that's why.
Oke, mungkin boleh dijelasin lagi formatnya kenapa pendek-pendek dan ini kan seperti apa ya,
Quote.
perasaan-perasaan, iya,
Quotes,
quote-quote yang
puisi.
perasaan-perasaan di dalam satu momen gitu. Kenapa memilihnya seperti itu bukan maksudnya
Dengan
buku yang
format.
bercerita?
Oke, karena sebenarnya seperti Trian sendiri, Trian sangat sibuk. Trian kita juga sangat tidak punya banyak waktu untuk membaca mungkin ya. Dan ini merupakan salah satu formula yang baru untuk Gen Z actually, especially buat Gen Z karena Gen Z sangat sibuk. Jadi mereka bisa menghabiskan buku ini dalam sekali duduk. Dan ketika membaca sedikit, mereka bisa langsung merasakan, oh ternyata ini yang author ingin sampaikan.
Oh, I see. So you can actually finish this book in one sitting.
Yeah, it's easy to
easy read.
digest.
Yeah.
And I guess with everyone's busy schedules this way,
Yeah.
books like this are targeted more towards Gen Z, where
Yeah.
everything is like when you turn on your phone, everything is happening so fast.
Yeah,
You need to be stimulated really quickly, and a
That's
book in
true.
this kind of format can help
Yeah.
with that as well.
And you can actually take a photograph and you can
Yeah.
upload it,
Oh, yeah, I know you like to do that.
Yeah, I love doing that.
So, kenapa sih seseorang hubungan sama ayahnya itu penting menurut Trian? Like, why is it important to
Yeah.
have to be connected and to have
Father
recognition of this feeling, whether it's the loss of a father or being close to a father?
Karena dari aku pribadi, aku tidak merasakan peran ayah itu ada. Dari aku 15 years old, I guess.
15.
Terus ya, dan menurut aku ketika aku menjalankan semuanya sendirian, itu sangat terasa lelah sekali. Dan ketika akhirnya aku bisa berdamai dengan ayah, akhirnya aku bisa berani ngobrol, berani mengutarakan apa yang aku rasakan. Aku bilang ke ayahku waktu itu, ayah sadar nggak aku kehilangan ayah selama ini?
Oh.
And then ayahku bilang, Trian, bukan kamu yang kehilangan ayah, tapi ayah yang kehilangan kamu sebagai anak ayah. Really.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, hold back the waterworks for now.
I mean,
So basically your father, ayah Trian sendiri udah membaca buku ini juga.
Belum.
okay.
So this actually came from your
Yeah.
Trian's own experience with his own father, and first of all, allowing himself to communicate with his father that I have been without you, even though you're physically there. I've been without you since I was 15 years old, and in retrospect, he's actually reciprocated that feeling back, saying that I felt like I have been without you. And I
Yeah.
think this is how you miss the collection,
Yeah.
connection rather
Yeah.
as well.
But-
So. This book is a #1 bestseller in the nonfiction category at the prestigious Selangor International Book Fair 2024. That's obviously in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
It hit #1 on its 7th day of release, reached 1 billion views on TikTok. It is now the best-selling book at the Gradient Mediatama. So this is in 2 different countries as well. Kenapa sih menurut Trian ini buku segini lakunya? Kira-kira kenapa bisa secepat ini juga penjualannya?
I think banyak selama ini seorang ibu selalu dirayakan setiap hari. Kita selalu bisa berkomunikasi sama ibu setiap hari dan mungkin sudah banyak karya tentang ibu. Tapi ada satu sosok yang terlupakan dari itu semua, yaitu seorang ayah.
Sorry, I'm just standing out. I feel that's important as well.
Happy Daddy Day.
Thank you. I feel appreciated today.
Oh my God.
Dan lewat buku ini Trian benar-benar ingin mengapresiasi semua ayah yang ada di dunia ini. Bahkan dan ini fun fact, waktu Trian di Malaysia, ternyata orang-orang di Malaysia itu lebih suka ketika kita berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
Oh ya?
Really?
Really?
Okay.
Di sana Trian representing salah satu penulis dari Indonesia di banyaknya penulis dari dunia that I proudly present. I'm Trian from Yogyakarta, Indonesia. That I can see mereka langsung look at me and who? Dan ketika Trian bacakan ternyata mereka bilang bahasa is a beautiful language.
Of
Bahasa
course.
is deeply language karena waktu itu Trian ingat Trian hanya membacakan satu kalimat dari buku ini.
Yes.
Just ayah tolong ada. Just mereka
Just be there.
Ayah tolong.
Sometimes that's all that matters.
ayah.
Okay. So, is it going to be a movie? Maybe you can tell us about the
It
development
is.
of it.
Yeah.
It's going to be made into a movie.
Next year.
Okay.
Next year.
Next year.
So it's already happening. This is in the work. Boleh diceritakan sedikit proses so far?
Bismillah sih lagi proses translate dari bahasa buku to be bahasa film.
And a script.
Ya.
Menjadi sebuah ini naskah, sebuah film juga.
Oke, so berarti nanti akan ada ceritanya di dalam sini.
Ada. Nanti
Oke.
cerita di balik kenapa kalimat-kalimat ini sangat populer hari ini nanti akan diceritakan di sebuah film.
Oke.
So I think we should explain to our viewers that are outside of Indonesia that this book was such a quick seller, not only in Indonesia and Malaysia as well, online on social media, is because Trian really truly believes that the role of a mother is already often highlighted.
Yeah,
And
highlighted.
we always appreciate moms. We always know when Mother's Day is. Father's Day kind of just goes by without even realizing.
When is Mother's Day?
I don't even know. I think every day should be Father's Day, by the way. And I think the fact that someone was able to put words into a book in regards to appreciating fathers, that really kind of brought out the fact that, you know, we don't talk about this enough, and we don't do this enough as well, because a father is sometimes the forgotten role, if you will, the forgotten figure in the house. Well, a lot of fathers are out there working, for example, if you
Yeah,
have a
that's true.
one-income household, and
Yeah.
perhaps you don't see them as much, but they're working
They're-
probably just as hard.
Yeah, they're impactful actually. Okay.
agree.
I'm currently writing about my dad, so
Nice.
it's just yeah. Well, it's hard for me, but ayahnya Trian belum baca. Tapi kalau boleh Trian memberikan message atau memberikan pesan untuk ayah, apa ya sih yang mau disampaikan sebenarnya?
Sebenarnya ayah Trian sudah baca di buku Anak Kecil yang Kehilangan Bundaknya, which is itu adalah series before Ayah Ini Arahnya Kemana Ya. Dan ketika Trian melihat ayah Trian diam-diam membaca Anak Kecil yang Kehilangan Bundaknya, that he's crying.
Really?
Ya, dan sebenarnya ayah Trian tuh baru tahu Trian seorang penulis setelah Trian mengeluarkan 2 buku.
Oh, oke.
Iya, karena aku sangat menyembunyikan itu. Aku takut becoming an author is not him dreaming for me.
Oh, it's not what he had in mind for you.
Ya, itu bukan impian ayahku untuk
Oke.
anaknya menjadi seorang penulis. But ini adalah cara Trian, aku cuma bisa ini.
And you're doing a great job at it.
Yeah, well,
So Trian's dad has
Selling.
actually not read this latest release, but had read a book prior to this, which is the one in regards to one's childhood, reconnecting with one's childhood.
anak kecil yang kehilangan pundaknya. Ya.
Right? In regards, as we get adults, everyone misses their childhood. And actually brought him to tears. So that only after his second book, his father realized that he was an author, perhaps not what he had in mind maybe when Trian was growing up as a child, but certainly one that he has been very successful at.
Yeah, and thank you so much, Trian, for
Congratulations.
sharing. Congratulations. And where can we find the book? Di mana?
In Gramedia.
Okay. So it's available in
Anywhere,
all
yeah?
bookstores. And get it
Yes.
online too, probably, right?
Ya.
Yeah? There you go. So if you guys are interested, I think this will be a great read, and it'll be really light. You probably get through it in one day,
Yeah.
like mentioned by Trian.
Maybe you should read it. And
I don't know if I'm ready for that.
get in touch with
Get
your
in touch.
emotions. All right, we are set for another commercial break, but when we return, we'll bring you the world headlines. So stay with us on the C Morning Show.